Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can do advanced editing in thumbnail in paid version of Canva. So you can see this image. Now I'm going to play with this image. So how to play? You know how to remove the background just by clicking background remover. You can remove the background. Just wait. Okay, so we have background, we removed it. Anyway, just cancel it and we will play with some other settings. So just come down and see adjust brightness. Okay, brightness, you can see the brightness of the image, contrast. Okay, you can play with this. Saturation, you can play like this. Okay, and filters, epic, festive, summer, you can see here just by visiting edit image, and you can play like this. It's totally depends on you what type of like looks you want, and like blur, if you want to make it blur, and photogenic, you can choose setting here. So everything you have. Okay, so we will go back and we will see more adjustment here. See all. So just come down and just fade. Okay, in this way. Shadow, if you want to put highlight, if you want to highlight these things, and vibrance, you can do clarity and vignette. In this way you can see the difference here. Okay, X process and blur, if you want to blur any image, you just go ahead and blur it. See this you will get under all edges. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select the image, go to edit and adjust. Filters you can use here. Okay, so just go ahead and check it, and you can play more with paid version of Canva. So just go ahead and create your professional thumbnail. For now, bye bye.